Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Agbo. Welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is common words used in the toilet. For example, if you wake up in the morning and you have to greet maybe your parents, your mom, your dad, your brothers, your sisters, your fiancé, whoever, you say Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. If it's in the afternoon, you say Efife ọma or Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. If it's in the evening, you say Mgbede ọma. Mgbede means evening. If it's in the night, you say Abani ọma. Okay. Abani ọma. Abani. A-B-A-N-I. Abani. Okay. So, let's say you woke up in the morning and you want to go to the toilet. You say Achọrọ m ịga na toilet. Achọrọ m ịga na toilet. Toilet is English word, right? But we use it commonly in Igbo language. So don't be bothered. So many words are borrowed. Achọrọ m ịga na toilet. The spelling now will be different because in Igbo language, I've always boasted, we pronounce and we write words the way we pronounce them. Okay. Achọrọ m ịga na toilet. If you get into the toilet, you now say, I want to brush my teeth. Achọrọ m ịsa eze m. Achọrọ m ịsa eze m. If you want to wash your face, you say, Achọrọ m ịsa iru m. Achọrọ m ịsa iru m. If you want to wash your hands, you say, Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. Aka means hand. Achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m. M-U means me. So, achọrọ m ịkwọ aka m, that you want to wash your hands. If you want to excrete, you say, Achọrọ m ịyụ nsị. Achọrọ m ịyụ nsị. If you want to ease yourself, urinate, you say, Achọrọ m ịyụ amịrị. Achọrọ m ịyụ amịrị. If you want to take your bath, you say, Achọrọ m ịsa arụ. Arụ means body, or ahụ. Ahụ means body. Then arụ m or ahụ m means my body. Achọrọ m ịsa arụ m. I want to take my bath. I want to bath my body. I want to take my bath. The same thing. In the course of doing that, if you want to, let's say you want to open toilet window. Achọrọ m imepe window. Window. All of them are borrowed. But it will not now be, the spelling will not now be W-I-N-D-O-W like English. It will not be different because Igbo words are pronounced and written exactly the way you pronounce them. Achọrọ m imepe window. 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 If you want to open door, that you want to say, I want to open door, you say, Achọrọ m imepe door. Achọrọ m imepe door. If you want, after finish, maybe let's say you finish in the toilet and you want to go to the market, you say, Achọrọ m ịga or ije. In Igbo, we use ịga and ije, they are the same, to go. Ijewego, are you going? Igawago, are you going? The same thing. So, Achọrọ m ịga ahịa. Achọrọ m ịga ahịa or Achọrọ m ịga afịa. Afịa and ahịa, we use all of them in Igbo, they are all correct. If you want to go to school, Achọrọ m ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Achọrọ m ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Or achọrọ m ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ and ụlọ, they are the same. So these are common Igbo words that they are pronounced differently, but they mean the same thing. I have a video that explains that in my YouTube channel. So if you scroll down, you see one of the videos. Okay. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. God bless you. Bye.